Hello everyone, welcome back to the Core Talk channel. Today we are exploring one of the most exciting and transformative spaces in any home. The kitchen. Modern kitchen design are all about blending style with functionality, creating spaces that are as beautiful as they are practical. Whatever you replanning a complete kitchen, remodel or looking for ways to upgrade your current setup, this video is packed with ideas, trends, and tips to help you create your dream kitchen. Before we dive into this journey of creativity and innovation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And your support keeps us inspired to bring you the best design ideas, and we'd love to have you join our growing community of designs and theorists. Let's get started and uncover the endless possibilities of modern kitchen designs. The kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, a place where meals are prepared, memories are made, and conversation flow. In modern homes, the kitchen is no longer a hidden corner, it's a central hub that reflects your personal style and sets the tone of the entire house. Modern kitchen designs emphasize clean lines, effective layouts, and a harmonious blend of material and texture. Let's start with the layout, which from the foundation of any kitchen design. The layout determines the flow of movement and the efficiency of the space. One of the most popular layout for modern kitchens in the open plan design. These layout seamlessly integrates the kitchen with the living or dining area, creating a sense of openness and connection. Open plan kitchens are perfect of entertaining as they allow you to interact with guests while cooking. To maintain a conceived look, use similar materials and colors across the connected space. The L-shaped layout is very title option that works well in both small and a large kitchen. Is maximum corner space and provide ample countertop area for food prep prepare. For even more efficiency, you can add an island to an L-shaped kitchen, creating additional storage and a cozy dining spot. The U-shaped layout is ideal of large kitchens offering plenty of counter space and storage. This layout are creates a semi enclosed cooking area, making it is easy to move between tasks. To keep the design open and airy, consider removing upper cabinets one one side and replacing them with open sleeves or a backsplash feather of narrow spaces. The gallery kitchen layout is practical choice. This design feathers two parallel countertops, creating an efficient workflow. Modern gal kitchens often incorporate sleek handle, less cabinets, and reflective surface to make the space feel large and more inviting. Once you've chosen the layout, it's time to think about the materials and finish. Then that will define your kitchen look and feel. Cabinets are a key element of any kitchen designs. Modern kitchens often feather flat panel or slab style cabinets with minimal detailing, creating a sleek and streamlined appearance. High gloss finished are a popular choice of their reflective qualities, which makes a kitchen appear brighter and more spacious. For a softer, more and natural look, consider matte or textured finish in wood, laminate, or painted surface. Two-tone cabinets are growing trend in modern kitchen, adding depth and visual interest. Par light upper cabinets with darker lower cabinets or combine contrasting materials like wood and metal for a unique layered look. Countertops and another important aspect of modern kitchen design. Quarters in is our top choice for its durability, low maintenance, and wide range of colors and patterns. Marble and granite offer a luxurious touch with their natural vanity and timeless appeal. For a more contemporary vibe, consider concentrate on stainless steel countertops, which add an industrial edge to add warmth and character. Incorporate natural wood elements such as a butcher block, island, or wooden countertop assistance. These materials not only look beautiful but also balance out the sleekness of modern finishes. Backslashes are a great way to inject personality into your kitchen. Subway titles are classic choice, but modern kitchen often use large format titles, geometric patterns of textured materials like stone or metal. A full high black space entertaining from the countertop to the ceiling creates a bold and dramatic effect for a truly seamless look. Consider a matching countertop and backsplash in the same material. This design creates a cohesive and luxurious feel, especially when paired with minimalist cabinetry storage solution. STL is modern kitchen, ensuring that everything has its place. Pull out pantry system, deep drawers with diverse corner, cooktops, or even wine colors take functionality to text level light in another kitchen. Touch of glass lighting is a game changer in the kitchen design. Pendant light above is land under cabinet lighting and recent ceiling